Hey everyone, if you're having trouble verifying your AppFlowy account, not receiving verification emails, or getting stuck during the account activation process, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the most common AppFlowy account verification issues in 2026. First, check your inbox carefully for the verification email. If you don't see it, look in your spam, junk, promotions, or updates folders since automated emails are often filtered there. Another helpful step is checking whether your mailbox is full. If you've reached your storage limit, new emails may not be delivered properly. If you're clicking the verification link and nothing happens, try opening it in a different browser. Browser-related issues can occasionally interfere with account activation. You can also copy and paste the verification link directly into your browser's address bar if clicking the email button doesn't work. And that's how to fix AppFlowy account verification issues in 2026. In most cases, checking your email folders, requesting a new verification message, updating your browser, and using the latest verification link will solve the problem. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.